Okay guys, we are going to Subway for lunch.
Yay.
Welcome to Subway. How can I take your order?
We would like a Subway club sandwich.
Okay.
And I want a turkey breast sandwich.
I'm sorry, we ran out of turkey breast sandwiches. They are still making more as possible.
Well, Noob, we just ordered a Subway club sandwich for you and us.
No. I just want a turkey breast sandwich and that's final.
But sir, we are out of turkey breast sandwich. They've ordered you a Subway club sandwich.
Give me the turkey breast sandwich, or else I'll destroy Subway.
No!
Noob, how dare you destroy Subway? That's it. We are going home right now. You are grounded for 7 days. Go to your room right now.